Hey guys, it's Rachel at WTI and I wanted to show you this amazing cleaning tool that I got. So this is a 7-in-1 electric power brush. I love using this for a lot of the things that I have to clean around the house. It charges fast within 3 hours. It does have a cord so that you don't have to be plugging it in everywhere you go. I like that it has the extension so that you don't just have to use it in small places, you can use it in high places. It does have 7 interchangeable brushes. This is amazing to use for the bathtub if you do have tile like I do, to get all the little corners and granite. This is awesome for tile floors. It is also great if you're using it for your car. I use it a lot of the times for the lights because it's delicate. It does have the 7 different interchangeable heads, which you do have the hard scrubbing brushes, but it does come with the cloth and the wool cloth and the sponge. There's so many different options you have for this. Very simple to use, and I love the fact that it saves your poor hands from scrubbing. It does a lot of the work for you. I'm very happy with this tool. I use it all over the house, but that's just my point of view.